Hello, I'm Scott Brady from Overland Journal and Expedition Portal, and I am here in beautiful Sedona with this incredible new concept vehicle, the GMC Canyon AT4 OverlandX. This vehicle brings together all of the things that we want to see on an overland vehicle, and it's coming from a factory concept vehicle made right here in the United States. So there's a bunch of things that I find really interesting and compelling about this truck. The first thing is that so much of this looks very factory. It looks very stock. It doesn't look like they took a vehicle off the assembly line and added a bunch of just aftermarket components to it. There's a lot of factory thought that goes behind this vehicle. Like if you look at this one-off front bumper that incorporates an AEV winch mount and gross vehicle weight rating recovery points as well. We've also got limb risers that are precision machined and anodized to match the rest of these hard components as well. We've got an internally developed factory snorkel system, and they use the GMC grill to make for the venting for the snorkel. All really thoughtful touches that you don't typically see from an aftermarket inspired vehicle or even a concept vehicle. And then of course we want things to be comfortable in the backcountry when we go to camp, and we'll talk about that in a few minutes. But right now I really want to focus on its off-road capabilities, because it's one thing to make it look like it's ready for overlanding, it's another thing that really makes it ready for overlanding. And in that case, we really do have great components already from GMC. We see their Multimatic spool valve technology shocks on this vehicle that we've seen already on the ZR2 and the Bison. So this is a high-performance off-road suspension system. It gives this vehicle a 1-inch lift, and it's got two 85/70 R17 BF Goodrich mud terrain tires on there on AEV beadlock Crestone wheels. Now, this is a great looking combination that not only looks good, but it works great in the field as well. We also want to protect this nice truck, and for that we've got full-length skid plates. We have steel full-length rock sliders as well. We have an AEV rear bumper with an internally developed full swing-out system. It is a very cool vehicle, and in the time that I've spent with it, I'm already impressed. Good morning. We are in a beautiful spot right now, the Cinder OHV area of Flagstaff. And what better spot to showcase all of the overland equipment that comes on this concept vehicle. And we'll kind of start from the top and move our way down. So this is an Autohome tent that just pops up very quickly. So it's an easy deploy, very comfortable tent. We use these throughout the decades with a lot of success. And then down below that, we have an RSI truck cap. Now this is a new product to the North American market, but it's actually been around for a long time in Southern Africa. So this is a South African made metal top that comes together in components. And then they've got all of these modules that you can install that help to complement your overland travels. So I'm looking right here at the kitchen module. You just pop open the side hatch, and then the stove deploys. The underside of it actually has a cutting board. All of your camping equipment is easy to access and no rattles or vibrations. On the other side, we've got some additional support equipment like the propane bottle for the stove. So in the back of the truck here is where we keep a lot of the equipment. So we've got a 200-watt Goal Zero Boulder solar panel system. And then we have full-length deck drawer system, 60-liter Dometic fridge. We've also got the Dometic charging station here. This is a lithium-ion battery-powered unit. Got a set of traction boards, high-lift jack, a couple chairs for camp. We're ready to go. After spending a few days with this GMC concept Canyon OverlandX, I have some thoughts. This is a 308 horsepower V6, front and rear locking differentials, premium suspension, 1-inch lift over factory, 33-inch tires, and then all of these internally developed components. Now we have no idea how many of them they're going to bring to market, but it is certainly interesting to me that GM is spending all of this time to work on swing-out tire carriers, snorkels, and other components like we see on this truck. What an exciting time in the mid-size truck market.